While first and foremost a human tragedy, COVID-19 has also spurred meaningful progress. Faced with the worst pandemic in a century, the world has had to show ingenuity and adaptability. This is especially true in healthcare, where effective vaccines were developed and deployed in a fraction of the usual time. We believe this experience could accelerate further innovation in healthcare for years to come. Such progress isn't merely desirable but vital. With the unstoppable trend of increasing longevity continuing, the world will face many more cases of chronic and life-threatening diseases. The search for treatments for such conditions will involve both pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies of all sizes, both in the public and private markets. Among those who have contributed to the search for COVID vaccines are many innovative private companies that develop new therapies from research to lab discoveries. Increasing amounts of capital have flowed into the area in recent years, with venture capital deal-making hitting record highs in 2020. With knowledge gained during the pandemic, we expect both biotech and pharma companies to intensify their development efforts around diseases like cardiovascular disorders, Alzheimer's disease, cancer, and genetic disorders. The pandemic has also forced healthcare providers to rethink care delivery. Amid lockdowns, providers have increasingly adopted innovative technologies such as telemedicine, the remote diagnosis and treatment of patients. We expect the trend towards virtual consultations to persist after the pandemic ends, given the efficiency and convenience gains on offer. Likewise, wearable devices, which helped identify some cases of COVID, can play an even bigger role in monitoring the health of sick and elderly people going forward. We see many possibilities for gaining exposure to potential healthcare advances over the coming years. These include some of the largest quality enterprises, which pay high and growing dividends. We also favor companies specializing in life sciences and tools, which enable the manufacturing and research efforts of healthcare innovators. Medical technology, which can reduce time patients spend in hospital settings and lower costs, is another important growth area. And for suitable investors, we identify attractive opportunities among early-stage companies that aren't represented on public markets. Instead, these are accessible via private managers of biotech strategies who have deep expertise in the area. Not only do healthcare investments offer long-term growth potential, but also a brighter future for human well-being.